Are you wondering how to add a product tag on Shopify? Well, if that's the case, then you've come to the right place because I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how to do so and also the benefits and why you may want to. So with that said, let's look into it. So first and foremost, you want to head over to your admin interface and you want to have your product set up. So in this example, I've only got one product. So let's say we wanted to add a product tag to this test product. So I'm going to go into here and you'll see I've just filled out some basic information about this test product, including a little description, and I've set the price. Now it is on the right hand side that you add tags. So at the moment I don't have any set up on my store. So what you would basically need to do is type in here what you want it to be. So I'm going to type in Cyber Monday and I'll show you why in a moment. So we're going to select Cyber Monday. So I've typed it and then I've selected it. And if I left click out of this box, you'll see it's been added to the bottom. Now, you'll also notice that you can actually add multiple tags, and that may be beneficial if you've got products in different collections or that you want added to different collections, or if you just want to be made visible to customers when browsing your store. So this, for instance, this test product could be a Cyber Monday product. It could also be in Black Friday. It could be a product that you want to appear on a particular discount range, or, you know, I'm talking discounts here, but it could be literally anything. It could be a particular theme of product or type of product. So just bear that in mind with tags, but you want to use tags that describe the type of product you're selling. They're really for the visitor or customer, and they can help you increase your sales. So I've used Cyber Monday for now. Make sure you hit save. And this is why you're going to want to add tags. So we've added this as Cyber Monday. So firstly, we can then add products to collections. So I've already created this collection here and I've called it Cyber Monday, and I've just put this in as my description. And I've set up the condition product tag is equal to Cyber Monday. And what that does is it brings in all of the products that have that tag. And so this product is now in this collection. So I can display this collection on my store. I could even add a menu item on my store for the Cyber Monday promotion, and customers could see all of the products on this promotion. So that's one really big benefit. And the second one is that I'm going to have to refresh this, but a customer could actually search for the tag. So if I did Cyber Monday here, the test product should appear, and it does because it's tagged with it. So it's good for customer functionality as well, and use of your store. And the last reason why I recommend adding tags to your products is, I mean, it doesn't work particularly well here because I've only got one product, but say you've got hundreds and hundreds of products that you just want to quickly filter on, you could filter on their tag. So look here, you'd basically tagged with, I'd put in Cyber Monday here. So say I've had 1,000 products and only 10 are on Cyber Monday, and they're throughout on various different pages. If I just typed in Cyber Monday here, those products that are tagged with that particular text are going to be displayed. So it's really useful for your own portfolio and understanding what you have. So I hope this video was useful. If it was, please do hit the like button. That tells me I should continue making videos like this. And do consider subscribing and heading over to my channel, where I've got plenty of other videos on working with and understanding and using Shopify. So with that said, I hope you have an excellent day.